Terracotta tiles are becoming more and more popular, and we've been getting a lot of questions about how to remove surface scratches from Saltillo tiles. There's a lot of ways that you can get a surface scratch on your Saltillo floor tile. For this example, we're going to drag this metal chair across this tile. The easiest way to tell whether the scratch that you're dealing with is a surface scratch or an actual tile scratch is to simply rub your hand across the surface. If you can see the scratch there and it won't wipe away, but you can't really feel it as an indentation on the tile, then that's just a surface scratch and this technique will work just fine. The only supplies that you're going to need are a big yellow sponge and a bottle of solvent-based penetrating sealer. Pour a small amount of sealer directly onto the surface scratch. Let the sealer puddle on the scratch for about 2 minutes. Use your sponge to gently spread the sealer across the entire tile, ensuring that you're leaving a substantial amount of sealer on the tile. You don't want to dry too much of the sealer. After about 4 or 5 minutes, you'll see the sealer begin to solidify, kind of like a gel. Before it hardens, start to wipe the tile firmly. Once the sealer dries, the scratch should be completely gone. Depending on how deep the surface scratch is, you might have to repeat these steps 2 to 3 times. If you're dealing with a scratch that's actually cut into the clay of the tile, this technique will not work. This is specifically designed for surface scratches, meaning a mild scratch that is only cut into the sealer. Check out the Clay Imports blog for more detailed information on how to remove surface scratches from terracotta tile.